bawat estudyante sa Pilipinas ay dapat magkaroon ng laptop at internet connection. Ito ang isinusulong ni Senator Sherwin Gatchalian sa isinagawang Senate hearing ng Committee on Basic Education.
And we're trying to formulate a law wherein we will give every child, every learner a laptop and an access to the internet. Much like access to electricity and access to water. It's now a basic necessity.
Nagsimula ang inisyatibang ito mula sa ulat ng Department of Education na malaki ang epekto ng kawalang access ng mga estudyante sa gadgets at internet sa naging resulta ng Program for International Student Assessment.
Those that fared better or scored better in PISA are highly correlated with those also having access to computers and connectivity at home. And the lower proficiency students has a greater incidence of not having access to computers at home and connectivity at home.
Ayon sa DepEd, malaking porsyento ng 25 million na estudyanteng nag-enroll ngayon distance learning ay nakadepende sa mga printed self-learning modules dahil limitado ang access sa internet. Sa kabila nito, nakikita naman ng senador na magiging issue sa karamihan ang mataas na presyo ng pagbili ng laptop at internet connection na dapat ay tugunan ng gobyerno.